playboy, 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 playboy.
Okay guys, so getting into the details of this hair, I just want to say that today's video is coming courtesy of Hairvivi. They were kind enough to send me over a wig to try for you guys. So this is their Debby lace front wig, and it is a wet and wavy bob, and I got mine in 16 inches, but I don't know, something about like the length and curl combination wasn't working for me, so I cut it a little bit shorter, and I'm really feeling it like at this length. I feel like, you know, wow thoughts Rihanna. And it is a, I think it's either 5.5 or 5x5 lace parting, but I think it's 5x5 lace parting. So what I'm saying is, even though this is a lace front and it has lace from ear to ear, the parting space right here is only 5x5 inches. So lace all around here, but I can only part it from about back here to about right there. So that's what I'm trying to say, if that makes sense. For me, I feel like this wig is very beginner friendly, like super beginner friendly, because for one, it came with pre-bleached knots, and I love when companies do that, because sometimes, I don't know, even though I bleach my knots, I don't necessarily like doing it. Like, more often than not, I want wigs where I can just put it on my head and go, you know? And it also came pre-plucked, and I don't know if you guys can like really see, but it looks pretty good. Don't get me wrong, you could go back in and just pluck a little bit more to make it look a little bit better, but if you're kind of lazy like me, then it looks pretty fine. And besides being beginner friendly, this is lazy girl friendly, okay? For those days when you just want to pop something on and leave out the house. Like, sometimes you don't feel like doing all that extra work, for real, dead serious. And it also came with an elastic band in it, so you don't have to measure, cut, sew, or do anything. I just put the elastic band on, and it fit my hair pretty snug. And if you have a bigger head than me and the elastic band isn't really working for you, it still has 3 combs in the front, well really 2, and then that, you know, awkward one right there. And then it has a comb in the back and adjustable straps, so you can still get the wig to fit pretty tight to your head without the actual elastic band. I haven't experienced a lot of shedding with this wig, I will say that. And as far as tangling, I haven't been getting a lot, even though it is curly hair, but I do expect to get a lot of, not a lot, but I do expect to get some tangling as it goes on, because like I said, it's curly hair. One thing I can say though is that it has been getting, I don't know if it's me or like I'm not using the right products, but I'll wet it and I'll put my mousse on it and stuff like you saw me do in the video, but it won't stay like this, like how y'all see it. It's been getting kind of frizzy really fast, so I don't know if it's the products I'm using or the hair, but I keep having to spray my water on it to keep it looking, you know, wet and wavy. And I mean, that could kind of be a problem, you know, when you going out and you don't have no water bottle in your purse. What are you gonna do? Just be out there looking crazy all day? I don't know, but yeah, that was kind of getting on my nerves. And then of course there is the price. This wig was more on the expensive side. I don't know, because there's the cheap wigs, you know, that cost like $50 to $100, and then there are the kind of expensive wigs that are like from $100 to $200, and then there are the expensive wigs from like $300. I've seen wigs come up to like $600-700. So I mean, this is in the medium range. It was $284 exactly. I think without all the extra add-ons, I did get, you know, the knots bleached and the hair plucked, so that does add on. But I mean, I would pay $200 for a wig, so I mean, I can't speak for anybody else, you know, that might be out the question for you, but I would pay $200 for a wig, especially if I know that the quality is good and it's gonna last. I don't really know what else to say about this wig except that I really like it. Like, I've never tried short curly hair on me, and I don't know. I think I like it. I don't know. Y'all let me know. I think I like it. I think I'm cute. But yeah, guys, pros to this wig, super beginner friendly. You don't have to do anything. That's really the biggest and the best pro, and that should really sell you on the wig. Con, it's been getting a little bit frizzy on me, so it might take a little bit of extra work to maintain, but I still F's with it. I'm sorry, I do. Okay guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Of course, as always, all the links to Hairvivi's website and the direct links to this hair will be in the description box, as well as the details, so don't forget to check that out. And of course, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to leave your girl a like and a comment, and then go ahead and share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!